Baking sheets, they're the workhorse of most kitchens, right? But there's one mystery, which is this: how to stop the brown gunk from getting baked right on. Our friends over at Orson Gygi have some solutions.
Hi, it's Candace and Heather from Orson Gygi, and we're here to talk to you about one of our most used and probably our most favorite kitchen item, the cookie sheet. Everyone loves these for baking, for roasting vegetables, for all sorts of things, but we're going to talk to you today about making sure that they're looking their best.
You want to start with lining your pan as often as you can. You can use tin foil. I like to use this for greasy, messy meats and things.
It's the best when you're using it for baking because you can just fold it up and throw it away.
Yes, totally. And then your mess is all done. Yep. You can also use a silicone baking mat. So these are great for really sticky or delicate things because you can't beat the nonstick qualities. Everything will just peel right off of it. The item we use the most in the kitchen on our baking sheets is parchment paper. Our parchment paper is a thin piece of parchment and it's coated with silicone on both sides. We use them for cookies, we use them for cakes. They don't insulate at all, so you'll still get a crispy bottom on your cake or on your cookie, just like you're hoping.
And because they're coated on both sides, I use them multiple times. So I'll even store them on my cookie sheet when I put them away so that I know that they're there. And then when they're brown and curled and all kind of gross looking, that's when I toss them out.
Awesome. Yep.
There's a few things that you're going to want to prevent your cookie sheet from getting bad, and one of them is the dishwasher. I know we want to just throw everything in the dishwasher and hope that it's going to clean up
well. It's so convenient, but don't do it.
Another thing you want to prevent is cutting on your cookie sheet. Now I know you want to just take that pizza right out of the oven and cut on it, but you're not going to want to remember that pizza next time you're making cookies. So make sure when you're using your parchment or your foil or something like that, it easily lifts off, and then you can go ahead
just
and
move it to a cutting board.
Put it on your cutting board. And the last thing that we want to kind of watch out for is cooking sprays. Now, I know that this is always everyone's favorite thing. Spray it really well so nothing sticks, but that's also what's giving it that dark coating on there. So if you're trying to keep it really clean looking, this is what's baking on and making it black.
So this is my own pan from home. It happens to the best of us, the brown filth. But there are some tips for cleaning it, okay? First off, try to clean it immediately after using it. So don't let it get to this point.
No dishwasher, hand washing.
Yeah. My favorite product to use is the Barkeeper's Friend. You can use it in a powder, it's like a Comet, or in this liquid, and you just squirt a little bit onto your pan. Oop, there it goes. And then use your scouring pad, and it comes right off. I'll just do a little section here, and run it under water. You can see that little spot's already getting clean. Now you don't want to use something too abrasive and really coarse to scrub with because it will leave divots in your pan. That's what's happened here. So just be careful to use just like a green scouring pad, Barkeeper's Friend, and a little bit of elbow grease.
And keep in mind that when your pans start to look like this is okay. They'll still work great, they'll be wonderful, and that means you're cooking in your kitchen, which we love. So we hope these things will help you.
Really helpful. Candace, Heather, thank you so much. I especially loved Candace's kitchen confession there as she held up her own pan because mine could use a little love. Anyway, here's another kitchen hint we'll pass along. The baking sheets, they're on sale through Wednesday at Orson Gygi, $2 off, so jump on that sale if you need to stock up.